Back live here now. Gonna share the stream on Twitter. It's still bleeding up here. Alright, we're live this morning, and here we are. Let me send out the announcements. Okay, here we are. Share the YouTube video. Currently I'm long on this Matic play. Watching Doge as well. On 3-minute Doge calm down that pump. Matic is still ripping through these shorts. Matic is ripping through these shorts as markets open. Wow. Thank you guys for watching here. It's an interesting market open. We'll be going over some of the stocks, charts. Doge is getting a little bit of breaks here. Matic may get a little bit of breaks here as well. Still getting some buys coming in here for Matic though. Heavy buy pressure could still come in here for Matic. And currently still in this Matic position. Audio is quiet. Thank you. I fixed the audio. Sorry about that. Thank you for letting me know. I'm still in this Matic long, watching Matic pump up. Up about 12% in this play so far. Still a small bag. Just a Discord $50 bag that I keep pumping up. Is this going to be our last pump up before market tanks? Doge is having trouble. SHIB's still coming up here. Bitcoin wicked up for these liquidations. 24,150. Alright. I think we're losing the breaks. And I'm going to close this Matic play. And I'm going to take this small gain. It's about 8% gain right here. I'm going to close it. 8% profits right here for Matic. Alright, trade's over. Took profits 8%. Profit secured. Profits, profits, profits. Good way to start the morning. Ending a trade with 8% profits on a position. And very happy. Pre-market on the red. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, every penny counts. That's your watermelon gain. Yes, sir. So I took profits on Matic. Seeing Bitcoin still trying to get a little bit of pressure here if it wants to liquidate. ETH did those liquidations all the way up. ETH may be getting some cool down here, but ETH ate through those liquidations. On the sidelines right now, just waiting. And we'll start going over some of the stocks in the pre-market as well. Checking this real quick. And I'll start looking over some stock tickers as well this morning. Nice compat. Doge is still technically downtrending here. This is a big liquidation zone if Doge wicks down here. ETH is having trouble pushing. Bitcoin is still downtrending as well. Still potentially downtrending here.
Hey, Tame, are you back live on YouTube?
Yeah, we're back live on YouTube.
Okay, it was frozen. Let me go back and see.
So I ended the other stream, started a new stream. If you're still in the chat box, see people in chat box, tell them to close off that we restarted.
10-4.
Doge is still coming down here. Matic's sell signal after I took profit, so I'm happy I took profits where I took profits. Sitting on the sidelines waiting right here. Just waiting. Bitcoin came up towards these liquidations. So I'm gonna go over some stocks real quick as well. And I'm gonna look at BBBY this morning during the pre-market. We're not really getting much volume in this pre-market yet for Bed and Bath and Beyond. But MACD is curving up bullish for Bed Bath and Beyond. We did fall down significantly from that $17 top. So pre-market getting a little bit of volume. Not too much though. Not too much so far. GameStop. Probably get a little bit of buy volume for GameStop today as well. We had this huge spread for GameStop. And for Tesla, Tesla has rumored that they're going to do a 4-to-1 split. And in the pre-market, Tesla ran up significantly. Now, let's look here.
When is that split, Tame?
We don't know. The shareholders have to vote for it still.
Oh, they approved it, but I
They
thought it
approved
was
it.
this.
Let me check real quick.
I thought it was this month.
Oh, August 24th.
I knew I heard something right.
So about 7 days from now. And in the pre-market, Tesla's actually climbing in the pre-market. It's up over $10 per share almost. But Doge right here looks like it's coming down. Matic, I was lucky to get that Matic scalp and take profits before coming back down as well. There's a nice area for taking profits from Matic up here. I'm just on the sidelines right now. I can't be greedy. Can't be a pig. Tesla pre-market. Getting some volume. I'm going to be turning into an animal charting this stuff. Oh, yeah. So, pre-market only matters if there's volume. Look at my volume candles. This 1 minute candle is literally 11 shares. So I made this Tesla pre-market chart. Bed Bath & Beyond RBJ, I like Bed Bath & Beyond for the squeeze potential. It was getting overbought though in the short time frame. Tesla pre-market's interesting. Let's look at Doge. Doge is still downtrending. Matic is downtrending as well. Bitcoin sell signal right here after those shorts. Sell volume's picking up for Bitcoin right here. KuCoin tweeted not too long ago. Wow. I see why Matic was pumping a little bit. Right here. This is what KuCoin tweeted. KuCoin says, with the approaching of Ethereum merge, layer 2 coins are drawing more and more attention. Pick your star coin, OP versus Matic, to win 100% rate up coupon. Follow, retweet, and submit your vote here. Join ETH merge gold rush. So I'll go here. Optimistic or Matic. I'll do Matic. Your KuCoin ID. My ID right here. My ID, boom, and then my Twitter username at. So I'll do this at better than being, and then all I have to do is vote Polygon and then retweet. All right, so it's very simple for me to enter that drawing on KuCoin there. Maybe that's why Matic was getting a little bit of pump in the last hourly. But look at this sell candle. This is huge. 926 volume. Definitely crypto's coming down this pre-market. No doubt. No doubts behind that. You get a candle like this, 900,000. My God. I took profits at the right time. Bitcoin's coming down as well. SHIB looks like it's coming down. And then Doge. Doge actually just broke under at 200 EMA and may come down these longs liquidation price. Longs would be liquidate here and would drive Doge under this 8.4. And keep in mind, our support for Doge is all the way down here at 8 cents. 8 cents. Wow. It's amazing. Doge is bleeding right here. So we're bleeding into the liquidations right here for Doge. Wow. We can go halfway through. Doge is going to retrace hard. Doge is bleeding through these liquidations. We didn't hold on this pump here. And Doge started breaking down again. Matic is breaking down. ETH is actually coming down as well. ETH has a lot of longs that can be liquidate here. Definitely cautious about FOMO again. What is this Matic looking like? That's huge volume right here. Over 900,000. Jesus. Bitcoin's already rushing back down as well. Maybe losing this bearish momentum in the short time frame. That's a huge candle for Matic. This is a nice chart about electricity prices for Germany. Prices increasing for electricity. They better start buying some firewood. Oh, this is interesting news. It says that Alex Menschke took control of Celsius trading strategy months before bankruptcy. In January, Celsius network boss Alex Menschke gathered his investment team to tell them he would be taking control of the crypto lender's trading strategy ahead of an upcoming U.S. Federal Reserve meeting. Prices of popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum had fallen from their all-time highs. A former telecoms entrepreneur said Celsius needed to protect itself from further declines, a hawkish outcome he was convinced could crash crypto prices. Look, how many bears are crushed in the markets because they short at the bottom? ETH right here is still coming down, Rohit. ETH is still coming down. ETH is coming down as markets getting closer to open. Doge is actually bleeding down as markets getting closer to open as well. Matic closer, coming down as markets opening as well. Defcross just came in here for Bitcoin. I think I might do a quick short on Bitcoin. Just a quick short. And possibly take quick profits at that resistance if the Bitcoin order fills. Yeah, thinking about a quick short for Bitcoin, like a microscope. Doge liquidations are coming in here actually. Let's actually change this. I think I'm gonna go short on Doge because I do see Doge has potential for these liquidations. I think Doge could liquidate all the way down here to 8.4. Alright, we're gonna see if this Doge short plays out. Usually I don't short Doge, but we're gonna see if it plays out. I've entered the Doge short right here. And I'm gonna turn on these liquidations for Doge. If these bears are liquidate, Doge is gonna bleed through pretty fast. I'll put this on a smaller time frame. Doge could bleed through these liquidations pretty fast. And I may consider take profit or hold the short a little bit open. Generally I don't short, but I do know that we have this huge gap down that could fill, and the liquidations would cascade, driving Doge price further down. So I'm a little bit late on this Doge short. I don't have that good cushion. Like if Doge wicks up, it could liquidate me, but I have faith that these blocks could get filled down right here. And we even get like a quarter in here, I would feel a little bit safer about my position. And Matic is still coming down as well. Matic even did a full retrace and retraced well before the pump. Bitcoin Defcross still holding here. Doge is at risk of liquidating all these longs right here, and my short would be in huge profits. I generally don't short, but this is a special circumstance right here. If these bulls cannot hold and they're liquidate, the price will drop easily a few percent points. Thank you, Meta Ads. Thank you for watching. And oh, some bearish sentiments falling in for Doge up here. Bearish sentiment is coming in for Dogecoin right here as well. It's a very dangerous situation, as we are getting oversold. We need to wick down a little bit further. Yeah, a huge dump would come in potentially, but look at Matic. Matic did a full retrace. Matic did a full retrace after those liquidations halfway through. Doge is trying to get a little bit uptrend on this short momentum as more bulls are piling in right here. SHIB is still downtrending. If you look right here, SHIB is still downtrending. Bitcoin is trying to uptrend a little bit on the short time frame. Oh, Doge is getting huge buys coming in here. Over 3 million volume right here. Generally, I don't like to short, so we'll see if these bulls can hold Doge up. On this short time frame, I've seen Doge trying to climb on these short time frames, but if it gets rejected, we can cave into those longs and liquidate them. This is a lot of longs that would be liquidate right here though, so they would probably want to defend their positions. I think I'm going to take this 1% loss on this trade if it doesn't hold. I'll set this order this high in case it wicks up, and then I'll go back watching the charts. A little bit late on the short, that's why. Nope. I'm going to get out of the trade soon probably. If it holds here. We just got done liquidating a lot of longs though. And then Matic may be uptrending right here as well. Bitcoin's trying to uptrend too. Volume has been falling off though consistently, so we'll see if this holds and see if the short is profitable. I'm not long on Doge right now, Timur. I was long earlier. I'm just trying to do this short play really quickly to see if we liquidate down here. It's always risky trying to short Doge. You don't know if Elon will tweet. And volume is kind of picking up on this 30-second time frame as more buys are coming in. Longs are piling up here defending their positions. So longs are definitely piling up defending their Dogecoin positions. Matic's getting a few buys rolling in here after that big candle. This one scares me. 900,000 volume. Bitcoin's still coming down. Ethereum's coming down as well. So I'll see if Doge can hold here. More longs are piling in here for Doge. More longs are piling in trying to pump Doge up. We'll see if these longs get liquidated and if my short prints money though. If these longs get liquidated, my short would print a lot of money. Awesome, Moral Fats, glad to hear that. So that was another pump up, trapped a few more bulls, and people went 100 times long right here. If these 100 times long gets liquidated, it's going to help us drive down further for Doge. I feel bad shorting Doge also, because I believe in Doge long term. So part of me wants this to fail for this trade. Matic's uptrending a little bit too. ETH is uptrending. Bitcoin's still downtrending. We're still have time before market opens. Live stream's live right now. Look on the hourly. It's still technically uptrending for Doge. Still technically uptrending for Doge. I think right here though, very little volumes pushing us up for Doge. So I may close this short at a loss if we don't come back down soon. So I entered this short because I thought we would wick down liquidate. This candle right here would signify possibly a reversal from the downtrend. But we pumped so much on Doge. Alright, I'm going to close this position, 3% loss. Let's see. Oh, I don't know right here. It's a fight. This one's a fight right here between the bears and the bulls. Bears are piling up right here as well. I could possibly keep this position open a little bit longer. My liquidation price would have to go all the way up here to the double top. Oh man. Look at all these shorts that piled in on Doge. A lot of shorts did pile in on Doge up here too. If we can just cut another chunk out of this place here, I'd be happy with taking small profits. All right. Just thinking out loud here. We carved down through these longs. My position is good. I did miss out on going long on Matic again here though during this play. And let's say if Doge cuts down through here. If Doge cuts down through here, I would be in the profits. If we don't cut down through here, I'm not going to be in the profits. So we need to start liquidating these bulls right here for my trade to be in the profits. Oh, there we go. There goes the fat red one. Let me go ahead and turn on the money sign right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can feel the bleeding right here. And this is heavy sell volume. Like this is a 3 million candle right here. The bulls and the bears are fighting right here. Bears are actually 100 times degening shorting right up here. All right, I'm in the profits. But I'll be in big profits like 10% plus once we start wicking down. $4 right here. We just need to wick down. I started this $50 bag yesterday on live stream because Discord's $50. And I wanted to see how much I could earn from that $50. So, still watching if Doge comes down here and liquidates. While this is happening, Matic is uptrending. We saw Matic uptrend when Doge was dipping earlier. Ethereum's still pumping as well on the small time frame. It's uptrending, not pumping. And then Bitcoin trying to uptrend as well. So a lot of these coins are uptrending while Bitcoin's trying to uptrend. So Doge could follow Bitcoin. Let me turn off the money. It's not in the profit yet. If we look at this on the 1 minute chart, still it's very bearish. We look at this on the 5 minute chart, extremely bearish pattern as well for Doge, but it is losing this bearish momentum right here. So, new 1 minute candle. We're at this pass rate. There's degens trying to short it 100 times right here, liquidation. Could liquidate them, spike up. But there's also some bulls degen trying to long it right here. So it's going to be a liquidation battle on this little area. Definitely Doge has some gas though. That's the thing. It's dangerous. I usually don't like shorting it. Well, Matic broke the uptrend there. ETH is still trying to uptrend on the 3 minutes, but it's not a lot of gas on the way up. SHIB is kind of uptrending a little bit. Doge is a little bit risky here, honestly, for the short. Very risky. We'll start looking at stock tickers as we get closer to market open. Until then, just trading some of this Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. Ah. Market open, Bed Bath & Beyond. We'll have to wait until market opens RBJ. Doge is getting a little bit of buys here as well. Volume's picking up.
Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond looks like it's getting a little bit of buying pressure here. Good.
All right, let me check it real quick. Yeah, it's not open. Markets, pre-market's not really a lot of volume yet for Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yeah, but she was at 15, I think, about an hour ago.
Yeah, it's not moving though. There's no volume yet in the pre-market. Maybe in about 1 more hour, we'll see. Doge looks like it's uptrending on the 1 minute here, YouTube. This short is in a very bad place. This short's in a very bad place for Doge, because if you look over here at Bitcoin, while it's still trying to uptrend, Bitcoin has been sideways trading this whole time. And retail did FOMO into Doge up here, and if they're still holding, it's going to be hard for the price to drop significantly. And there's so many shorts up here that could be liquidate as well. We wake up just a little bit for Doge. So it's a very dangerous situation at this 8.60, going long or short on high leverage. Woo. We'll see though if people start waking up on the Robinhood app and start taking profits, what would happen. By the time everybody's taking screenshots of their portfolio, sometimes that's when the dips start happening. Getting this nice little wave pattern for Doge though. Waves did break that uptrend, starts the downtrend. Bitcoin's technically uptrending, but there's no liquidations right here between 24,044 and $100 up. So it's gonna be a little bit hard to get that $100 up. I don't know. I think Doge could be turning around here. People are going to FOMO. One of my trading rules is to never short Doge. And I broke that trading rule. And we wake up here. These shorts get liquidated. It's going to hurt. Yep. Broke the trading rule by shorting Doge. Heavy penalty. I feel really guilty shorting Doge. Look at those profits for the longs here. 7% loss rate here. If Doge doesn't come down, it would be late. All right, I'm out of Doge. Bye. Taking the 6% loss. If it will close. I know I should not break the rule by shorting Doge. It never plays well. 10% loss right here. It's having a hard time getting out as well. All right. So this would be a big loss on Doge short if I close it right here. But my signals usually are not wrong. So I'm going to close Doge right here. Trying to close for a 10% loss. The order is not filling. Having trouble filling the order on KuCoin. I would take the 10% loss before it wicks up even further. Order's not filling. Hopefully this order fills. I'm not breaking the rule on shorting Doge again in the future though. It's always very risky shorting Doge. This order is not filling. And how about this? 0.08635. Just so I can get out of the trade. KuCoin still isn't letting me out of the trade at this higher price, 0.0865. Alright, it finally knocked me out of the trade. That was a big loss. I'm trying to get out of the trade so I can go long. Alright, golden cross. Going long here on Doge. Alright. I'm long on Doge now. It's a very bad trade on the short. Really don't like shorting Doge. And maybe 8673 up here. But Doge definitely looks like it's turning around even though Bitcoin's still moving sideways, Ethereum's uptrending a little bit, and Matic is downtrending from that last pump up. Yeah, I made the mistake. I broke my trading rule shorting Doge. Should have never broke that rule in the first place. I was in profit a few times, but did not secure profits. And let's just see if retail FOMO's into Doge up here. We're still in this overbought region. It's a very dangerous place for Doge. Good morning, everyone. We're in the pre-market right here. And if we look at Doge on the 3-minute chart, still technically it's been uptrending on this 3 minutes. And this is where the MACD wants to cross over again for Doge. When this happens, sometimes a lot of the shorts are liquidate. The sell signal came in way up here. Maybe the buy signal will start popping in right here as well if retail does start FOMOing into Doge. So currently long on Doge. I was shorting it. Huge mistake. I should have just saved the dry cash until I saw potential uptrend. Bed Bath & Beyond is not really getting too much momentum in the pre-market. Matic is now sideways trading from that run up. Not a lot of crypto sideways trading. Bitcoin Parabolic SAR downtrend. Yeah, we have the def cross on the 3 minute. That's pretty bad. On these bigger time frames, nobody would want to enter. Sell signal just popped in 15 minutes for Doge as well. So it's gonna be a tough little fight here. If Doge breaks down to a lower low here, then the bears are gonna win. One problem I did was a little bit higher leverage as well. It'll knock you out of trades, get stop losses a little bit faster. We're already retraced from that small pump right there as well. So we'll see. What's the liquidation for this? Liquidation's at a very dangerous spot as well. ETH is steadily uptrending right here though. ETH has the merger update coming next month. Bitcoin's kind of downturn on the short time frame. Doge is downturn as well. You did the same thing, Alan. Oh, it's sell signal. I might just lower leverage, short Bitcoin or something on the side. We start getting down, liquidating these longs, it's going to be bad. Yeah, on these bigger time frames, nobody would want to go long on Doge. It looks very bearish on the longer time frames. This is actually a very far down. I didn't set the 1% stop loss on the order. We'll see if retail FOMO's into Doge today, but I think there's plenty of time for Doge to cool down for the price to drop throughout the day. ETH is staircasing uptrend. I like ETH for the long term. ETH before the merger looks attractive right here. Bitcoin's downtrending as well while ETH is uptrending. So this will actually give ETH a little bit more market cap value. We'll see if Doge can hold here. We'll see if Doge can pump again, but if not, it's going to be a very bad situation. Our volume is just so low. These volume candles are just very low for Doge. Bitcoin is still downtrending. ETH is finally seeing a little bit of reversal from that uptrend. Matic is getting another big sell. Like, Matic has been coming down big after this 920,000 volume candle. That's like almost $1 million candle right here. All right, so Doge is getting some more longs coming in here, some more bulls for Doge. Some more buys coming in for Doge. Volume's still not here yet. It's about 1 million volume for Doge. If we look on Doge on the hourly, new hourly candle in 3 minutes. So this new hourly candle could pump up here. That would be very impressive if the hourly pumped. The order book is going crazy on KuCoin right here as the volume is increasing on Doge. Yeah, Doge is getting some buys, some more bulls coming in here. And while this is happening, ETH has some buys and Bitcoin had some buys as well. So they're going together. Welcome to YouTube chat, everyone. My name's tametheark. Just chilling. Pre-market. Before market opens. Matic has buy signal on the 1 minute after this big reversal candle and then a pump up. And this is leading up to the new hourly candle, I might add. Doge, though, some more bears are piling up here. So, getting ready for this hourly candle. Let's see what Bitcoin hourly looks like. Bitcoin looks like it's uptrending on the hourly, so this is good. We made a higher high for Bitcoin, and the body's going to open up around the same price as well. ETH on the hourly. ETH on the hourly looks more bullish than Bitcoin. ETH on the hourly, good. Good for ETH on the hourly. Doge on the hourly, we were overbought, started coming down. If we had all the indicators, it looks bad. We still have support at 8 cents for Doge. So it's not a good situation. Have a good night, Alan. From a technical standpoint, Doge is overbought. Oh, sell signal again. And we're going to liquidate these. All right, I'm getting out of the position again. Let's see. This one's bleeding. This is a 15%. I didn't set the 1% stop loss. Hourly candle just came in here and we're getting sell pressure. Bitcoin on the new hourly candle is getting sell pressure. Sell pressure is building up on this hourly candle. Ethereum, though, yeah, even Ethereum got a little bit of sell pressure on this hourly candle. Bed Bath & Beyond, it's not really moving too much. Matic's around the same price. Doge is dangerous right here. Doge is dangerous. Doge is in a very dangerous spot right here. Bitcoin on the new hourly candle, it's not getting that big momentum up. We saw it pass, but this candle, no. We're not getting those big buys rolling in right here. ETH on the 3 minutes, still uptrending. ETH looks good pre-merger. This Doge play is very degen play right here. Doge is very degen right here. Doge wakes up and liquidates some of these shorts. I'm happy. But we're getting so close to these longs that I don't feel comfortable. And we're looking at it on the 15 minutes. Doge is bearish. Doge is bearish on this 15 minutes pattern. You see this house that we formed here? It's just the degen play that I went into at the worst time. Let's go to 3 seconds on Doge. 30. So I don't know how. I think the price on KuCoin is dropping a lot faster. Doge on KuCoin is dropping a lot faster. It's a little bit indecisive candle here. $8.64, while the spot price of Doge is $8.62. All right, some buys did come in here for Doge. It's a little bit confusing. The perpetual price is a little bit higher than the spot bag price on Doge. So even though the price up here on the chart is like where I entered, I'm still negative 17% for some reason. And KuCoin's having trouble keeping up. All right, here comes the shorts getting liquidated now. And KuCoin's still showing me down like 16%. And the very interesting. Doge on the 1 minute slowly uptrending here. I think Doge is getting some buys coming here. Volume's not too high. Golden Cross came in again on the 1 minute. That's great. If we can wake up, liquidate these shorts as market's getting closer to open, I'm happy with it. But still, I don't feel safe in my position. I want to say this was a very risky play. Ethereum's pumping during this time. Bitcoin's pumping during this time. Pre-market crypto's pumping. All right. A little bit of a degen play for what I did with Doge. And the futures is having trouble catching up right here. Four minutes after the hourly candle, and we're starting to get these small pumps. 3 minute candle for Bitcoin. Definitely looking green for Bitcoin on this short time frame. ETH has been staircasing up. Might even do a long on ETH while I'm sleeping, like a low leverage long on ETH while I'm sleeping. Doge is having trouble getting up here again. Doge has to cool off, that's the problem. Doge wants to run up here, there's so many spots to liquidate, and then you have these people 100 times longing right here at the last second up, and they may face liquidation. Doge is turning red on this 30 seconds, but Bitcoin still, yeah, Bitcoin on that hourly is pumping a little bit. It wasn't a big pump. ETH is staircasing. I need a nice crypto that I can go long in, low leverage while I'm watching stocks. I think Ethereum may be that cryptocurrency. This double bottom was pretty bullish for Doge on the short time frame though, but this 30 seconds, nothing. 3 minutes, we're still trying to parabolic SA or uptrend for Doge, but keep in mind, this is a big liquidation block. The cap on Doge is 5 billion per year. Oh man, Bitcoin just retraced from that whole pump right here. Bitcoin did a whole reverse from that pump. See how Doge can hold up here. It's not too many liquidations for Doge up here. Doge would not have any liquidations to gas it up, but it would be retail for FOMO. And possibly there's more liquidations up to 9 cents for Doge that have been slowly building up. So we'll see if this can wick up. It's a tough fight right here for Doge. How are you guys doing, YouTube? So Graham says, what do you mean by hourly candle? So if you go up here on TradingView, candles are by hours, minutes. Right here, this candle right here, each candle now represents 1 hour if I put it on the 1 hour time frame. So this candle right here, this will be 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock in the morning candle Eastern time zone. Or if I change it to 1 minute, then this candle is only 1 minute. 8:09 till 8:10. So that's the difference between hourly and 1 minute candles. How's everyone doing today? Doge still has some liquidations on this short time frame. Bitcoin's having some trouble though. ETH needs to carve into this block to go to 1920. You're welcome, Graham. Anybody awake on the Discord early this morning?
We're in here.
Any stock you holding that you want to watch today?
Still holding my Bed Bath & Beyond from 4.5 cents.
Yeah, 4.5 cents for your options contract.
No options. I'm just simply riding. I got 25 of them down at $4.52.
So we're starting to see some sell volumes come in with Bed Bath & Beyond on the short time frame. But other than that, keep watching it. I'm still waiting for this stock to
I got
pop,
them so cheap. And like you're saying, we could be climbing up into the high 28, 29, just sub 30 region. So
when's your expiration date?
I bought them. I don't know that they expire.
No, options expire. So you want me to help you? Where did you buy it at?
No options. I just bought 25 of them at $4.52 on Robinhood, bro.
Okay, I misunderstood you earlier. I thought you said 4 cents or something. I understand.
No, that's why. Sorry, $4. Yeah, $4.54.
Do you have a sell price really high in case we wake up, like $1,000 or something? Something.
No, maybe I should set something closer to 100, like you were saying.
Yeah, you should. That would be a 10 times, more than 10 times for you, 50 times, right? So just do 50 times your buy-in and set your sell limit there, in case we wake up.
Yeah, just in case.
Oh man. The order book for KuCoin is a lot higher for the perpetual contracts than I'm seeing in here. Oh, right here. This is why KuCoin is liquidating up here. KuCoin's liquidating shorts again. That's why KuCoin price is different than Binance. I was like, what's happening? All right, we're liquidating some more shorts on Doge. Good morning, everyone. Oh man, look at those liquidations for Doge. Finally. Finally. That's beautiful right there for Doge. Liquidations coming in. Why is the market price lower though? KuCoin has a market price at 859. Actually, that market price has not changed. 8 sits. This is wild. KuCoin still has a market price significantly lower than what we're seeing on the charts right here. And it's at 859. Even though on the chart we see we're at 8.65 climbing. And we look on KuCoin chart, large bags have been liquidated up to 8.67 for Doge. And even CryptoWatch shows my market price at 8.645. So market price of KuCoin at 859.2. How is there that much of a spread for market right here? How's the market price that low? This is dangerous.
Something big might have happened to KuCoin too, with all those liquidations and things happening.
Yeah. Like, they have the market price really far down here. And they have the index price. Index price is what we're following here on the chart. Index price is climbing, but market price technically is not climbing on KuCoin. And this is kind of scary situation. Have to consider that when futures trading. Because technically, I should be up in the profits right here. I should be cheering and happy in profits right here. But on KuCoin, technically I'm down. And I shouldn't be down on this position right here. This is a weird situation. Like, all the charts are showing the price is higher. And that market price is not moving as the index price is moving. Here, I'm going to put this on, I'm going to transform this, edit. Let's remove all these things. So this is what I'm seeing on KuCoin down here. And it's showing that the market price is much lower than this index price. And that could cause me to be liquidated if it's bad. Like if it's not fixing this. I kept wondering why my trade was down like 10-20%. Now I know why. So I'm going to hide this futures for now, but man.
Sounds like KuCoin is being sneaky. It's tricking people in and not letting people out.
Yeah, their market price is not being calculated really well.
You know what I mean? It would just incentivize a lot of people to jump in there because they see it lower. But then other people like you are like, I'm at a loss right now and I should be up here cheering.
And the order book right here.
So Tame, if you actually go to close your spot, it'll actually go to whatever the market price actually is.
So how about I try this manually? 0.0869. I would be in the profits here. But that's not the problem. The problem is I could be liquidate if this market price is not going up as the price is going up. That's the danger. Like if this market price isn't going up as the price is going up, I could be liquidated. And if I don't like the trade, I can get out of the trade as well. Like it says I'm down 16%. And their market price is dropping astronomically right here. Like when I click how they do it, I think those liquidations earlier did mess with this as well. I was in the profits for the trade for a while, not showing like negative 16%, and because the market price it has is so low. Like right now, I should be about break even. And if you look at a KuCoin chart, this is weird. I'm actually going to close it in a profit right here. The order book is showing in KuCoin. The order book is showing the price a little bit higher, so I closed it. I took profit. Look at the order book in KuCoin. The price is higher than what we're seeing on the charts, guys. I took profits on the trade. And man, that market price is still down on KuCoin. That's weird. It could cause more liquidations. Alright, so I walked away that trade with like a 1% gain. But still, that was scary. Those liquidations we had earlier really messed up Doge. Really messed up Doge right there. $8.569 is market. So 8617 here, 8619 here. It's a little bit dangerous. I'm not going to go back into Doge right this moment. We're so overbought. I want to find some nice altcoin to go long on while we're looking over stocks this morning. On the 3-minute time frame for Doge, still no buy signal yet. Still downtrending. Technically, Doge is still downtrending on the 3 minutes. The price is higher on KuCoin. I'm telling you, the price is higher in the KuCoin order books than what we're seeing in the charts right here as well. Like, I don't even want to go long on Doge right here on KuCoin with the market price being this big of a spread from index price. I think it's a recipe for disaster. I barely walked away with 1% profits from the last trade. If Doge comes down in these liquidations, it's going to be very nasty. Like, the market price is lower than index, so they want people to short it. They really want people to short this. Good morning, everyone. I think they want people to short Doge, having that market rate up there. But if people degen short Doge, they could get wicked up and liquidate. Price is much higher on KuCoin than right here. Noticing the spread after those liquidations earlier. Doge is pumping on KuCoin on the order books, but on this chart, I'm not even seeing the candle go up where it's at in the order books. The price is at 8. Doge should be up here according to the order books. Doge should be up here according to the order books on KuCoin. Doge should already wick up here and liquidate because it's already up here. It's at 8658. It was at 866. So we're seeing this big spread. Yeah, Doge is at 8664 in the order book. Doge should theoretically wick up and liquidate all these positions. But it's not doing it, and the candle's not lining up. There goes the buy signal. We should be wicking up and liquidating. How about this? I'll drop the leverage. I'll try to do an order lower than the price, see if it fills. I'll be right back in a minute though. If Doge wicks down, the order could fill. Oh, there goes the Doge pump. Sorry, I'm back. The price is much higher on KuCoin right here. You enter a position, you're automatically down. Like, there's a 1% difference between index price and market price. But Doge liquidates up here. We could see that 9 cents. So we'll see here. I think Doge could liquidate these positions up here. Doge could liquidate these positions up here. Definitely watching it from the sidelines. Already got out earlier. Shiv's coming down a little bit too. Bitcoin's coming down. Yeah. It's cooked to liquidate these shorts though. It's cooked to start liquidating these shorts for Doge. Look at it on the 3 minutes again. Actually not a bad pattern. Not a bad pattern. This would be long's liquidation price down here though. Anything inside the square would liquidate the longs. Alright, let's delete that. And looks like we are still uptrending for Doge on this short time frame. Short-term Bed Bath & Beyond possibly could get a little bit of a pump, but I do see a lot of profit taking as well for Bed Bath & Beyond. We have about one market before market opens. I want to see more shorts get liquidated on Doge. I would be very happy with that. We look right here, we have bullish sentiment for Doge, but there's some bearish sentiment piling back in on Doge as well. As we get closer to market open, it's a dangerous spot. Think about calling it a night, heading into bed. Yeah, I'm gonna head to bed soon, guys. I'll be on tomorrow or later today, technically. It's just getting a little bit late, and I'll try to get on market open. So this is pre-market. I'll try. I don't know. My girlfriend just texted me she forgot her medicine, so I actually have to drive her medicine to her now, and that's probably like 45 minutes away. I can get on after market opens a little bit. I'll be on a little bit late, so I'm gonna rename this stream pre-market. Not market open, but pre-market. Pre-market, all right. And then let me change the thumbnail as well. And then I'm gonna go drive my medicine, my girlfriend's medicine to her. Doge is coming down to liquidate these shorts. KuCoin really wants people to short Doge after that fiasco. KuCoin really wants people to short. All right, so edit stream a little bit, change it to pre-market for the title, and thank you guys for watching this pre-market coming right after the crypto after dark. So put this in the pre-market channel. Yeah, I can see that happening. Bitcoin had a big sell-off right there too as we liquidate some more longs. Usually you see these pumps up right before market opens, and sometimes you see a full retracement. Bed Bath & Beyond getting a little bit of sell pressure as market opens here on the pre-market. Bed Bath & Beyond a little bit of sell pressure, but these candles are nothing, no volume yet, so it's not a good indicator. Thank you guys. I'll dress safe. I'm sitting on the sidelines for the trade, and come back later. Let's see. Doge is trying to uptrend a little bit too. 863 on KuCoin, 8632 on Binance. 30 seconds, we'll see. I can zoom this out from the dip there. Alright, I'll be back later. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I'll start the stream back. Market opens later today.